What are you guys doing?
I'm making food.
Oh yeah? Indian food?
Yeah.
Oh, what's on your head?
That's the Indian theme.
Oh, and what did you do to Sarah?
I made the Indian.
You made Sarah an Indian?
Mm-hmm.
I didn't know Indians wore shower caps and headbands. Well, plastic headbands. Sarah, what you doing? Say whatever my brother makes me do, huh? Sarah. What you doing, bud? What kind of food are you making?
Indian food.
What's Indian food?
It's the seeds.
Seeds?
Yeah.
And what else?
Grapes.
Grapes? Okay.
Yeah. And there's chicken nuggets.
Oh, and chicken nuggets too, huh?
I'm making chicken nuggets too.
All right.
So,
Say bye.
bye.